Outside door hot. What I could do is I can make some juice, man. So I'm just gonna take my knife. Inside it's sour. So passion fruits are inside the sour and they're just seed. I'm gonna make some juice. So this is after you remove the seed. So I'm just using this spoon to just scrape around it. Remove the seed. That's what it looks like. Inside I almost dry. This is a riper looking one. So if you, as you can imagine, the riper ones taste sweeter than the greener ones. But overall, passion fruits are sour. But they have this very exotic and tropical flavor. And I bet they're good for you. So, the sun is hot. So, you know, so I can blend some juice. I'm going to be blending passion fruit and pineapple. Two, four, six. So I'm gonna use 4. So I just come right out like that. That's it. Then I'm gonna cut up some pineapple, put it in there and blend in the seeds and everything. And then make a refreshing glass of juice because the sun is hot.